Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video from BioBuddy, and in this video we will be moving forward with the basis of classification, fifth element, that is the symmetry. Okay, so till now we have done basically 4 bases of classification and this one is the 5th one, right? So first we need to understand the meaning of symmetry. What is the meaning of symmetry? Symmetry basically beta means uniformity, एक जैसा. Okay, symmetry means uniformity. For example, you are in the school and you are told that better please be in lines, or please be in a symmetrical manner, stand in a symmetrical manner. So what do? You arrange yourself in a queue which is straight enough, right? So that the teachers are very happy, right? And you look all in a straight line. Fine, you can all see each other's backs and the arms, right, and the shoulders. So this is known as symmetry. Okay. For example, the wall is built. It is built in a symmetrical manner. It is not very haphazard. It is built in a symmetrical manner. So symmetry means uniformity. So how the organisms are classified on the basis of symmetry beta? There are total 3 types. Asymmetrical, bilaterally symmetrical, and radially symmetrical. Okay, symmetrical. So these are the 3 types on the basis of which basically we will be dividing the entire animal kingdom. But first, before starting this beta, you need to know the meaning of these 2 terms: axis and plane. What is axis? Axis is the imaginary line passing through the plane. Passing through the plane. Right? And what is plane? Plane is the resultant of the axis division. Okay, when the axis comes, what is being divided? The plane is being divided, right? For example, this is the plane. Let me use the other marker. This is the plane. Okay, and this one is the axis which is dividing it. Fine. So now let's move to these 3 symmetries. So asymmetrical, the first one, right? How we are dividing the symmetry? Symmetry is also 3 types: asymmetrical, radially symmetrical, bilaterally symmetrical. Okay, so asymmetrical में क्या होता है बेटा? Asymmetrical, you can understand from the name itself. A है means नहीं होगा symmetry. There is no symmetry. That means any plane passing through it, cannot divide into 2 equal halves. Cannot divide into 2 equal halves. Right? Example: some organisms from phylum Polyphera. Okay, some organisms from Polyphera. Then comes radially symmetrical. What is the meaning of radially symmetrical? That beta, an organism can be divided into 2 halves by any plane passing through it. By any plane passing through it. Passing through any plane. For example, this is the organism. So any plane passing through it will be dividing it into 2 equal halves. Fine. Now examples will be Coelenterata, Ctenophora, Echinodermata. Now, here comes the twist. So, in Echinodermata, beta, what happens? In Echinodermata, what happens here, beta? There is an example of the Echinodermata family. What is the example? Starfish. The adult of the starfish, beta, is less advanced as compared to the larval stage. So here I am writing Echinodermata में starfish का adult आएगा example में starfish adult stage. So now what happens in Echinodermata, beta, the example that I am giving you, right? There is one important example in Echinodermata and that is the example of starfish. But starfish में हमने दो चीजें observe करी. What? It has two stages basically, which we are implying here. One is the adult stage and one is the larval stage, right? So in adult stage, beta, adult stage जो होती है वो less what do we say? It is less advanced than the larval stage. Okay? Advanced कम होती है adult stage. Usually in all the organisms, what happens? The adult stage is more advanced. But in case of Echinodermata starfish, the adult stage here is less advanced as compared to the what? Larval stage. So now last is the bilaterally symmetrical, right? When the organism is divided into two halves by only single plane, only one plane. Okay, example here will be Echinodermata. Echinodermata, here you can write starfish, larval stage, right? This is an important example which you need to memorize. Starfish, larval stage, right? And platyhelminth से लेके chordata तक सारे आएंगे bilaterally symmetrical. Platyhelminth to chordata. Fine. So these are the examples and the meaning of symmetry, the types of symmetry. Okay. So make sure you are reading the NCERT once. Fine, because all the things are taken from the NCERT only. But make sure you are reading it line by line once. Okay. So any example you want to know that, ma'am, is this the example of bilaterally symmetrical, radially symmetrical or asymmetrical organism? You can put down in the comment section. If there is any query, any questions related to this topic, you can put down in the comment section, guys. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Until then, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Share the video with your friends as much as possible, and I will see you guys in the next video. So till then, take care.